Hello everyone. So today we're going to do an alphabet puzzle. I like making learning videos like this because my kids who watches YouTube all day can watch and learn from me. So today we're going to do an alphabet puzzle and I'm going to need you guys to help me find the letter. So let's start. Can you help me find the letter A? Is it over here? Let's see. No. Is it over here? Let's see. Oh, here it is. This is the letter A. Can you say A? A. What sound does A make? Ah. So let's place A in its proper place. A is for ant. Okay. Now let's find the next letter. The next letter in the alphabet is B. Can you help me find the letter B? Let's see. No, it's not over here. No. Oh, here it is. This is the letter B. Can you say B? B. What sound does B make? B. Let's place B in its proper place. B is for bee. Bzz. Okay, guys. The next letter in the alphabet is the letter C. Can you help me find the letter C? Let's see if we can find C. No, it's not over here. Let's check over here. Oh, here it is. This is the letter C. Can you say C? C. What sound does C make? C is for cat. Meow. Okay, let's find the next letter in the alphabet. The next letter is the letter D. Is D over here? No. Let's go over here. Is D over here? Oh, here it is. This is the letter D. Can you say D? D. D stands for dinosaurs. Oh, what sound does D make? Duh. D is for dinosaurs. Okay, what is the next letter? The next letter is the letter E. Let's find E, guys. Okay. It's not over here. Ah, here it is. This is the letter E. Can you say E? E. What sound does E make? Eh. E is for elephant. With this big trunk. Okay, guys, let's look for the next letter. The next letter in the alphabet is the letter F. Can you find F? Let's see. Let's go over here. No. Let's go over here. Here it is. This is the letter F. Can you say F? F. F stands for frog. Oh, what sound does F make? F, f, frog. What is the next letter in the alphabet? The next letter is the letter G. Can you find the letter G? It's a little hard one. Let's look over here. No, it's not over there. Let's look over here. Oh, here it is. This is the letter G. Say G. G. What sound does G make? G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe have long necks. The next letter in the alphabet is the letter H. Can you help me find the letter H? Not over here. Let's go to the other side. Here it is. This is the letter H. Can you say H? H. What sound does H make? H is for hand. H stands for hand. Okay, let's look for the next letter in the alphabet. The next letter is probably your favorite, I. Can you help me find the letter I? Let's look over here. No I is over here. Here it is. This is the letter I. Can you say I? I. What sound does I make? I. I is for ice cream. Can you help me find the next letter in the alphabet? The next letter is the letter J. So let's look for the letter J. Is J over here? No. Let's go to this side. Is J over here? Oh, here it is. This is the letter J. Can you say J? J. J stands for jelly bean. Jelly bean. What sound does J make? J. J. Okay, so let's look for the next letter. The next letter in the alphabet is the letter K. Let's look for K. It's not over here. So let's look over here. No. Oh, here is the letter K. It was all the way at the bottom. K. Can you say K? K. What sound does K make? K stands for kangaroo. Good job, guys. You guys are doing so good. So let's find the next letter in the alphabet. The next letter is the letter L. Let's look over here. It's not over here. Let's look over here. Here it is. This is the letter L. Can you say L? L. What sound does L make? Oh. Say oh. Lemon. L is for lemon, guys. So sour. Let's find the next letter. The next letter in the alphabet is the letter M. Can you help me find M? Oh, is this M? No, it's W. W kind of look like M, but it's not M. So let's go over to this side. Oh, see? They almost have the same similarities, but they're not the same. So this is the letter M. Can you say M? M. What sound does M make? M is for monkey. All right. The next letter in the alphabet is the letter N. Can you guys help me find the letter N? Let's look over here. No, it's not there. Here it is. This is the letter N. Can you say N? N. What sound does N make? N is for noodles. All right. The next letter in the alphabet is the letter O. Can you guys help me find the letter O? It's not over here. Oh, here we go. This is the letter O. Can you say O? O. What sound does O make? Ah. O is for owl. All right. Now let's find the next letter in the alphabet. The next letter is the letter P. So let's look for it, guys. No, it's not over here. Here it is. This is the letter P. Can you say P? P. What sound does P make? P. P. P is for pig. Can you spot the next letter in the alphabet? It's a Q. Let's look for Q. Let's see. No, it's not over here. Here it is. Q. This is the letter Q. Can you say Q? Q. What sound does Q make? Qua. Q is for queen. All right. Can you guys spot the next letter in the alphabet? The next letter is the letter R. Can you guys help me spot the letter R? Let's see. Okay. It's not on this side. Let's go over here. Oh, here it is. This is the letter R. Can you say R? R. What sound does R make? Say R is for rabbit. Let's see if we can find the next letter in the alphabet. Can you guys help me find it? The next letter in the alphabet is S. Let's see if it's over here. No. Let's go over here. Here it is. This is the letter S. Can you say S? S. What sound does S make? S is for snake. Ooh. Can you guys spot the next letter in the alphabet? The next letter is the letter T. Let's see if it's over here. No. Let's go over here. Here it is. This is the letter T. Can you say T? T. T stands for tree. What sound does T make? T. 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 T stands for tree. Can you guys spot the next letter in the alphabet? The next letter is U. It's not over here. Oh, here it is. This is the letter U. Can you say U? U. What sound does U make? U makes the sound uh. U stands for umbrella. Can you guys spot the next letter in the alphabet? Let's see. The next letter is V. It's not over here. You guys are doing so amazing. Not over. Oh, here it is. This is the letter V. Can you guys say V? V. What sound does V make? V. V. V stands for volcano. It's a big explosion. Okay, guys, can you spot the next letter in the alphabet? It's W. Let's look over here. See W? No. Oh, here it is. This is the letter W. W sound makes wa. Can you say wa? Wa. W sounds makes wa. Wa. W stands for water. All right, guys, you're doing so amazing. What's the next letter in the alphabet? Can you say X? X. Let's see where X is. Here it is. This is the letter X. Can you say X? X. What sound does X make? X. X. X stands for xylophone. All right, guys, we're down to our last two letters in the alphabet. Can you spot the letter Y? Sure we can. It's right here. This is the letter Y. Can you say Y? Y. What sound does Y make? Yeah. Yeah. Y is for Yo. Okay, guys, we're down to our last letter. Can you spot the last letter in the alphabet? Sure, we can. It's the letter Z. Can you say Z? Z. What sound does Z make? Z. Z stands for zebra. Thank you, guys. These are the letter of the alphabet. You have 26 letter of the alphabet. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.